Hello, what is up you guys? It's RV and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another unboxing video, and this time it's going to be for the order that I have from Lazada, this one. So I have this cute package. I ordered this from Lazada and it's actually the GoPro Shorty, or you know, that handle where you can put your GoPro camera on. Let's go ahead and unbox this package. Let's now open this Shorty, GoPro Shorty. There you go. Wow, it's really small. GoPro Shorty. It looks really small, like the box is just... Oh boy. Okay, so let's try to open this one. Okay. Oh, okay. I can already see it here. There. That's all. There's nothing more in here. So this is the Shorty. It actually looks even smaller than I thought. Like, it's shorter than my phone. That's why it's a Shorty. Okay, so here it is. GoPro Shorty. It feels a little slippery, and when you are rubbing it, you can hear that there is sound, which I think is not a very good thing when you're trying to film or record, because the sound might be picked up on the video, right? I think this can be a tripod. Oh, there. So let's see how long this is. Oh boy, it's very short. It can only get this long. That long, which is still very short, but it's okay. It's good when you are trying to use this when there are a lot of people, because you don't want to extend so much when you're trying to use your GoPro. And let's try to see how do we open the tripod for this one. Okay, got it. Okay, so you just use a little force and then it'll open. That's all there is to it. Let's try to get the GoPro camera and try to install it. I don't like the sound that it makes. Oh boy. Okay, so let's try to install the GoPro camera into this. Let's try to make it short again, and then first we have to turn this so that we can take this metal out. We can try to get the GoPro, and then I think we just place it like this. Wait. It's kind of tight, but yes, that's it. You just have to align it. We have to lock it like this. Wait. Okay, so I think it went all the way through. Okay, so there is your GoPro. So basically when you're trying to film or vlog or whatever, you just do like this. I think really it's very short, like just like that, right? But it's okay. At least it's the handle that you have for your GoPro, because you don't want to like just hold it like this, right? So you want to have a handle for it. It doesn't, when I bought the GoPro, it doesn't come with the handle, so you have to buy the handle separately, as well as most other accessories, so you have to buy them separately for GoPro. So let's try to extend it. This is the longest that it can get. I think it's cool, it's okay. There. When you're trying to basically film when you're on vacation or when you're doing some tour and then you want to take a view of the place. There, GoPro Shorty. It's still very short, but it's okay. Good for venues when there are so many people because you don't want to extend so much from the camera. So you just want enough distance for the handle. Okay, so let's try to say if we're going to do a vlog or we're going to put the camera somewhere. So we just do it like this. There. So it stands on its own. Right. Let's try to put it here so you can see. There. Okay, so that's it. The only thing that I'm not really liking about this thing is it's slippery. I think it would be nice if they made this like it has that rubber texture. All in all, I'd say that it's okay. A little bit pricey because it's for a very short handle, but it's fine. Okay, so I guess that's a wrap. So that is all for now for the unboxing of the GoPro Shorty Mini Extension Pole Plus Tripod. Basically, it's just a handle and you can make it a tripod and it can extend a little longer but not that long. Installing the GoPro camera is very basic. You just have to like put it on this one and then try to turn it in so it'll be locked, and then that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for other future videos. That is all for now. Au revoir.